Okay? Next, if threat of punishment is necessary, which of the following express the threat with least severity? Tandaan, when we are implementing punishments, it should be least severe, hindi nakakapamahiya, no? Hindi nakakababa ng dignidad. So, saan dito yung least severe? A, I'll work for your removal from class and you are ashamed to your classmates. You're going to say that. B, I will send you to the principal's office or else also ask your parents to confer with the principal. C, you will get shortened recess or receive more severe punishment. Or D, you will report early to school tomorrow or you will be marked absent. Siyempre, ang hindi natin sasagot agad dito, yung A, kasi you're ashamed to your classmates na napakasakit naman nun. And eto may punishment, shortened recess, so hindi. Principal's office, pupunta sa principal's office, medyo nakakahiya din yun. Why is D the best answer? Because you are directing, you are not only mentioning what's wrong, but you are teaching yung bata how to do it better. Tandaan nyo yan ha, pag naging teacher kayo, kapag pinagalitan mo bata, or pag pinagsabihan mo, wag mo lang sabihin kung saan siya mali. I-mention mo kung paano niya i-improve ang behavior. Okay? And with this letter D, actually, binibigyan mo pa siya ng chance magbago. You will report early to school tomorrow. Okay? Binibigyan mo siya ng chance ayusin ang kanyang behavior.